Hey everyone, welcome to HM Code Studio. Today I've come up with a new and interesting topic, so stay tuned till the end. Okay, so we already know how to create and edit a video. If you missed that topic, you could check out by clicking this button. Well, today we will see how we can edit an image. Usually we go to a Photoshop in which he or she takes a snap, and after that they change the background, they put stickers, cartoon effect, and many other fancy things. So we can also go to a virtual Photoshop, and that's Adobe Photoshop, which we will be learning today. Adobe Photoshop is a very useful tool for designers, web designers, image editors, and even the person who works in a studio. It has been a course in the past few years. Many people run business with this software. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe my channel to learn many more things in the digital world. Okay, first we have to go to a browser. It can be Google or Microsoft Edge or Safari. And from there, you have to type Adobe Photoshop. And over here, you'll have a website link. Click on the first one. And then you can buy this product from here by clicking on Buy Now. Okay, so after you download Photoshop, we'll go to the search bar and type Adobe Photoshop and we'll click on Open. Well, I have an older version of Photoshop, which is Photoshop CS. The latest version is Photoshop CC, but the tools and other functions are almost same. Okay, so first when you enter Photoshop, you'll have this dashboard, and there are three things to remember. The first thing is layers, which are really important in Photoshop, and then the selection tool right over here. You'll have three selection tools: lasso tool, polygon lasso tool, and magnetic lasso tool. And we'll also have the foreground colors in order to paint or do anything on Photoshop. And there are many other tools we will be learning in the upcoming videos. So today we'll be learning how to increase the brightness of an image and how to create a glow effect. So first we'll go to the file option. We'll we'll click on open, and you can choose an image from here. I'll just take this one and click on open. And now you can maximize the size. After that, in order to increase the brightness of an image, we can go to the image tab and go to adjustments. Over here we can go for brightness or contrast, and over here we can just drag this to increase the brightness, and for the contrast you can just do like this, drag this slide bar. So well, that's really bright. You can see that we increase the brightness in this image. So you can do that for nearly every image. So after you're done with this, you can go to the file option and go for save as. And over here, you can just rename your file. So I've named new image. I can click on save, and it'll ask you for the quality options. You can change your values if you want, and click on OK. So that's done. Okay, so now if you want to save the Photoshop project, you need to go to the file option again and go for save as. And now here you can change the format into Photoshop, and now you can just rename your file and click on save, and that's it. Next, let's see how we can create a glow effect on our image. So we'll do the same process by going into the file tab and go for open. And now here you can choose an image. So I choose this one, and I can maximize it. So you have this golf ball, Now, if you want to make it into a night effect or a glow effect, that's really easy. You just need to select by going to the selection tool, which we discussed earlier, and you can choose your favorite type of tool. I chose polygon. That's a tool, and you can just select the ball, and that's it. Now we have selected the ball. Now what you need to do is to duplicate the layer. There's a shortcut for duplicating the layer. There are many shortcuts which will be useful to you, which I'll be explaining in the upcoming videos. So now let's see how you can duplicate a layer. We just need to press Ctrl J and it's duplicated. And you can see that if you press this icon, you can see that only the ball is selected. Now, what you need to do is to duplicate this layer again and again. Before we do that, we'll go to this option, normal, and change it into screen. Now that's quite brighter, right? Now we'll duplicate the layer again by pressing Ctrl J, and one more, and one more. And that's enough. Okay, now we'll go to the option which is away from the delete option. That's this one. You can see over here. We'll click on it and go for hue and saturation, and we'll just adjust the image, the lightening of the image and the saturation and the hue by just dragging the slide bar just like this. And we can also adjust this one and also the lightning, and that's it. Now we can click on OK, and you can see that we have created night light effect, or you can say a glow effect on our image. Now what you need to do to save this image is the same process. We'll go to the file option, go for save as. Now we can rename our image and click on save. Now you can choose the quality options and you can change the values and click on OK. That's it. Now if you want, you can also save the project by just doing the same process and changing the format of it. You can check the difference by going to your previous and your latest image. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful and useful, then give this video a like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more ideas and shortcuts in Photoshop. Thank you.